Hi, welcome to Seargent Solutions, where we have built a robust payroll system which you can access at payroll.surgentsolutions.com. On the homepage, we have a simple calculator whereby you can just calculate gross pay, net pay. If you want to deduct Tier 2 housing levy, it then gives you a breakdown of everything, even the net pay percentage and how the pay is broken down. So that's our landing page. We have the pricing page here. We have a variety of prices. In case you have 2 employees, it's free. In case you have up to 10 employees, we are charging 1,200 Kenyan shillings for the entire month or 12,000 Kenyan shillings for the entire year. It's cheaper to do the entire year as you get 2 months for free. We have up to 25 employees. And in case you want to do per employee pricing, we have the enterprise plan. Here are the features we have. Full payroll processing. You can also process consultant payrolls. You can do loan management, like advances, internal loans. It gives you statutory reports on P10, NSSF, and SHIF. We also have a feature whereby employees can update their bank details and you can export them. We provide email notifications on a variety of actions, including processing payroll, approvals. You can manage multiple departments so that you can pull departmental reports. We have audit logs to know what has been happening. And we have 9 annual tax forms. Aside from that, you're able to export the CSV, Excel, which are imported on KRA. We also offer Zoho Books integration, whereby if you authorize, it will push all the journals on Zoho Books. We are planning on integrating QuickBooks Online next. That's our pricing page. We have the tutorials page where we will have all the tutorials which we are currently recording. So how do you get started? We have our sign up page where you just put in the company name and company details. In case you have an account, you can always sign in. For the employees, we have a portal where they can log in. Let's start and see how it looks. I'll get started. So what's the first thing you do once you get in? So you head over here to settings and you just do your company profile. This is where you get to put in your company KRA PIN. You can upload your logo. This will be used to process the pay slips and the logo will appear there. Adding an employee is not very hard. We have 2 types of employees. We have a normal employee and we have a consultant. Each of them has different fields. For example, for an employee, you have to specify ID number, KRA PIN, and NSSF number. You can also put their photo. And also, if you have the employee number, you can put it here. Employment type, you can also put it here. These are now the details which go to KRA. Also, do not forget to set the departments before you start adding the employees. So by the time you are doing the employee list, you should now be able to say which department they are in. Also, in case there's a supervisor, you can always put it here. Now, in case this isn't supervisor, we'll say there's a supervisor, so that when another employee is added, this field will become active. This is where you come and put in their gross pay and their benefits. Do you want to deduct Tier 2? What is their housing levy? And then for the P10 report, fill in all these details. And then, like that, you have added an employee.